Hey everybody, it's Robert from Kapwing, and it's been far too long since I've gotten to talk about one of my favorite apps. Of course, I'm talking about TikTok. Go follow us if you're not already on there. So, TikTok has fairly recently made it possible to upload and create videos all from your desktop. You no longer need a phone to create and upload TikTok videos. Now, this is great news if you're like me and you prefer to edit your videos on a desktop with pro editing software. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a TikTok video with Kapwing and then go and upload it to TikTok without ever picking up a phone. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm here in Kapwing where I have just finished editing a video for TikTok. Now, like I said before, I like to make a lot of my TikTok videos here in Kapwing or using a desktop editor because I have more flexibility and it's just easier for me to edit on. So here, if you watch, I've got everything in the correct size, 9:16. It's gonna look good on vertical. I cut down a bit of an interview I did with this filmmaker who worked on another Tiger King documentary, and I thought this might make for a great TikTok. So here in Kapwing, I can just click download once my video is finished publishing. And then over on TikTok.com here, once you're logged in, you're gonna see a cloud with an arrow on it in the top right corner of your screen. And there's an upload video option there. So this actually takes you to TikTok's desktop uploader. So here in the Chrome browser, I just have my video file from Kapwing I've downloaded. I'll just drag that here into TikTok. And there it's already uploading. Looks like it's moving pretty quickly. And you can do everything else right here inside of the TikTok uploader as well. I can add a caption. I can say, he made the Tiger King first. I can pick my cover image. And I can even add some hashtags in here like Tiger King. So this really is kind of giving you a whole new way to use TikTok because there's just so many more editing options once you start working on a desktop. And something else that I think is interesting about being able to upload and manage your TikTok videos from desktop now is that say you have a video flop and you need to repost it. Well, you could just go back to Kapwing, get the file again, add it to TikTok through the desktop site, and repost your video without any watermark, which is cool. So many times I see reposted videos that have the watermark baked in, and using this method totally gets around that, which I think is awesome. So once you're ready, you'll just click post, the big red button right here, and it'll send it up to TikTok. And you just did all of the work you're used to doing on your phone from your desktop. So pretty short, pretty simple tutorial today. You're just going to use a combination of TikTok.com and Kapwing to upload your videos without ever using a phone. My name's Robert. I'm making new tutorials all the time. We've got some other TikTok tutorials that I think you'll find pretty interesting. I'll put a link to those at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you found this interesting, and we'll see you with more tutorials soon.